Welcome to episode 4, Getting Started with KiCad, version 9. In the last episode, you made your first symbol. In this episode, you get to use that in Schematic Editor. In the Schematic Editor, hit A to add our buzzer. With it selected, hit the flip horizontal button at the top or hit the X key. Now wire up pin 1 from the buzzer, pin 1 from the power jack, pin 1 from the terminal block, and VCC. Wire the negative buzzer pin to the drain, pin 3, of our MOSFET, like this. Here's a pro tip. You could connect your VCC net lines like this, but a 4-way schematic connection is to be avoided. Each 3-way connection gets its own junction dot, making it very clear that it was intended and not just 2 nets crossing. If we click on any segment connected to the gate, we can see the name automatically assigned to it at the bottom. Let's rename the net so it'll be easier to understand when we're doing the physical layout over in the PCB editor. Click the Place Net Labels button. Type gate in the pop-up and place it on the net. Power symbol names are automatically assigned to the nets connected to them. To see this, click on any segment of the VCC or ground net. Notice the connection name at the bottom. You can also change the look of a net. You could change just one net segment, but who would want to do that? To change the color and thickness of an entire net, you could hold Control as you click on each segment and junction dot, or use the powerful shortcut Control and 4 for the Select Connection feature. Hit Control 4 twice to highlight the entire net. Now hit E to edit properties, or right-click and hit Properties. Hit the color box at the upper right. Hit the Defined Colors button at the top and hit blue. Then hit OK. Change the wire bus width to 10 mils. Change the junction dot size to 35. There, our schematic is complete. However, this circuit will need power. It will run for a few years on a 9-volt battery, as it draws almost nothing, as long as there's no water across the sensing wires. You could use one of these 9-volt battery connector assemblies to plug into the barrel jack. And to never have to worry about changing out a battery, you could use this inexpensive power supply. To be sure the power supply and the 9-volt battery connector make it to our bill of materials, so we remember to order them, the last additions to your schematic will be placeholders, because they will not be on the PCB. Hit A and type HOUS and select the housing symbol. Hit E to edit it. Change the reference designator to Z1, put 12-volt supply for value. Check Exclude from Board. Now hit A and type BATT. Select the multi-cell battery symbol. Change the reference designator to Z2. For value, 9-volt battery assembly. Check the box Exclude from Board. Now these will make it to our bill of materials. We'll finish this list in the next episode. Before we call this done, we'll run the ERC, the Electrical Rules Checker. It's at the top with the check mark. Hit Run ERC. If you see these errors, you can ignore them. They're not major. However, they are easy to fix. For the top 2, add what KiCad calls a power flag to drive them. Use either the Place Symbols tool or Place Power Symbols. Type flag. Put one down and copy it. Copy the VCC and ground symbols and connect one to each. You could also connect them to the nets like this. For the pins not connected on our battery placeholder, we get to use the Place No Connect Flags tool. Our ERC is trying to warn us your battery holder symbol pins are not connected to anything. By placing the no connect flags on the pins, we can tell the ERC to relax, as we know it's all good. Rerun the ERC. Should be perfect. If you changed your main grid settings from 50 mils to something else, you may get wires that cannot connect. Try to remember to always leave the main grid in Schematic Editor at 50 mils. In our next episode, we'll assign the footprints to the symbols and make one too. See you soon.